Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're someone who spends a lot of time at your computer, whether it's for work or for gaming, then you know just how important it is to have a comfortable and supportive chair. That's why today, we're taking a closer look at the Computer Chair Office Ergonomic Gamer Chair. Black gaming chairs with footrest, mobile armchair, relaxing backrest, reclining wheels. This chair is not your average office chair. It's specifically designed with gamers and those who spend long hours at their desks in mind. The ergonomic design provides excellent support for your back, neck, and shoulders, helping to reduce the strain and fatigue that comes with sitting for extended periods of time. The built-in footrest and reclining backrest allow you to kick back and relax when you need a break, and the mobile wheels make it easy to move around without getting up. But it's not just about comfort. This chair is also made with high-quality, durable materials that will last through years of heavy use. The sleek black design adds a touch of modern style to any office or gaming setup, and the adjustable features allow you to customize it to fit your specific needs. So, if you're tired of dealing with discomfort and fatigue from your current chair, it's time to make the switch to the Computer Chair Office Ergonomic Gamer Chair. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever got by without it. And the best part? You can find the link to purchase this amazing chair in the description below. Don't wait any longer, invest in your comfort and productivity today.